So this is exceptionally rare. For the 22nd of November, look at this. Like, what? Yeah, really. Like, what? I have a good notion to get my bike out of there. No, I can do that. But look how I'm dressed, eh? Yeah. it's summertime in November. No, it's actually fall. But, wow, exceptionally nice weather. So, there's the camels. They're digging it. And there's a donkey over there. And where else? I was going to there's a sheep. There's a baby Jesus. And there's poor old Joseph with a busted neck. His head fell off. It broke right off. You think I can find replacement people? No way. Or parts? No way. They don't even make this stuff anymore. Yeah. There's... Maybe I'll make another silhouette. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, really. In my... Oh, what's this? What's this out here? Oh, well, look at this. I left something out here. Oh, it looks bad. Something on my motorcycle, I think. See what you find when you walk around the yard aimlessly on November 22nd? And it's like plus 6 or 7. Like, really? It's incredible. Yeah, wow. I'm stunned, actually. I'm actually stunned. I'm going to put this over here. Here, watch this. Maybe I'll make a fire, right? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what they are. They seem to work. Okay, goodbye.